All right, our last two examples is finding the area. So this is going to be our word problem. Area of a rectangle. So if you just think about this, this would be x plus 4. This is x plus 5. Obviously that's the longer one would be this one, but so what would the area be represented? Well, you still have to multiply this side by this side to find the area of the whole thing. So I'm just going to be multiplying x plus 4 times x plus 5. And this way you can do it any way that you feel comfortable, any way that you like. I personally, I guess I would do FOIL if it's easy enough. Okay, so first, x times x becomes x squared. First, outside, the outside 2, so 5 times x. The inside, 4 times x. And the last, 4 times 5, just 20. So you're going to combine any like terms, so this becomes x squared plus 9x plus 20. Remember that there should be also those pluses. Addition signs in between all those two. Alright, and then what is the total surface area? Well, this should be fun. Surface area is found by doing 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Okay, so first it gives us that the radius, this one is x plus 2, and the height right here would be x plus 4. And we're going to put all that into here. So 2, and we could probably keep that as pi. Okay, times r squared. So x plus 2 squared, and then 2 pi r. Okay, and then times also this x plus 4. So order of operations, what do we do first? I'm going to show my work down here. I'm going to have to do x squared, x plus 2 squared. Now, a lot of times kids will just think, oh, this is just x plus 4. No. Order of operations says you have to multiply x plus 2 times itself, or x plus 2. So looking at this, you have to make sure that you do it this way and you're not just distributing this, because I have this plus sign in here. Okay, so this is a big no-no. Okay, so x times x first, x squared, outside, so 2x, inside, 2x, last is 4. So I get x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, but I also have to multiply that by 2 pi. So 2 pi, because 2 times pi is the same as 2 pi, and I'm going to multiply that by x squared plus 4x plus 4, and then plus that 2 pi, 2 pi, and then I want to multiply these. So let's, again, I need to show my work somewhere else. So x plus 2 times x plus 4. I'm doing that first because it's just going to be easier for me. So first, x squared outside, 4x. Remember, there's always pluses between here, addition. Inside, 2x. Last is 8. I'm going to combine my like terms of 6x. So this is going to this 2 pi is going to be multiplied by x squared plus 6x plus 8. Okay, again, order of operations. I can't add these two things together yet because I need to distribute this within here. So I'm going to think of this pi right now as just another variable. Okay, it's pi. So 2 pi times x squared, There's nothing really I can multiply. So it's going to be 2 pi times x squared. These two things, so I'm going to add. I can actually multiply the 2 and the 4, so it becomes 8 pi times x. And then 4 times 2 pi becomes plus 8 pi. And then, so now if you see, I'm distributing to get rid of those parentheses, so I'll have all just addition left. So I'm going to go down here. 2 pi times x squared again becomes 2x squared times pi. I could have written that the opposite way, and I should have, but I am written in pen, so yeah. So 2 pi times 6, so again 2 times 6 is 12, so it just becomes 12 pi times x, and then 2 times 8 is 16 pi. So now I want to look for like terms. So here's my other work that I should have. So any pi times x squared I'm going to circle. So here I have pi times x squared. It's in a different order, and that's okay. The order it's like saying the order of letters. That's like saying xy, is that the same as yx? Yes. Technically I should be writing my x first, right, alphabetically. But again, it's still going to be 7 times 6. Is that going to be equal to 6 times 7? Yes. Okay, so back here again, I'm going to combine these. Now I'm adding all these different terms. Well, I need to, how many pi times x squareds do I have? Well, I have 2 here, 2 here. Remember, when you're adding, you're going to add their coefficients. So I have 4 times pi times x squared. And then just x and just pi, I'm going to do triangle. And here I have 20 plus 20 pi times x. And then just the pi's, I have 8 plus 16 would be 24 pi. And this would be my answer. And I could probably make sure that I don't have any labels. So if it was inches or something, or meters or whatever, I would want to make sure to put that on there.